So this landing page over here has bought me 70 to 80% of conversion rate. And that because of guys, the images which I am using here. This weird and ugly images has bought me a lot of clicks. Yes, the headline is important. Yes, the call to action is important. Yes, the copy is important, but image plays a big role. Here you can see another copy where this image is bought me almost 80% of conversion rate here. Whatever the traffic source you're using, you might be using email, SEO, search engine ads, Bing ads, right, Google ads, native ads, sending them to the landing page. And from this landing page, guys, if they click, they'll watch their offer. Let's say you're running $100 ads and 100 visitor has came to your landing page. They saw the offer, but only 30 people has clicked here and watch your offer. That means guys, your landing page have only 30% of conversion. So let's assume guys, if you paid $1 as a CPC guys, that means guys, if 30% audience has clicked and watched your offer, you have almost lost $70 in your landing page itself. Because guys, whenever your audience watch your landing page, their human brain process almost guys 60,000 times faster than any text. Okay, which means that the first thing your prospect or your audience will see is the images and the colors in your landing page. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to create these kinds of weird images which will bring a lot of conversion. So if you're first time here guys, do subscribe my channel, enable the notification, and here I'm uploading videos Monday and Thursday related to affiliate marketing, and give the thumbs up to this video guys, because this will help you to save your lot of money while promoting the affiliate offer. So we are here in the ClickBank marketplace. We will select a product, Petrim, a weight loss season secret, right? It's a new offer. It's a kind of a purple tea. You might be know about this green tea, but this is new tea. I'm just taking an example, right? This is their affiliate page. This is the product. You can watch their video sales letter here and you can understand what this offer is all about, right? This is very, very important if you want to create your landing pages here. So guys, the first very important thing is guys, we have to see their emails. Emails will give you guys the important headline as well as the copy idea. Okay, so here you can see new purple tea melts away 10 labs a week. Okay, this is a good right headline here. So here let me show you one of the landing page. Look at this. This is one of the landing page which I created here. So I said new purple tea melts 2 labs daily, and here I given the images. Here I wrote in the headline, purple tea melts 2 labs daily. So what I did here, right, I showed them a fat, I showed them an image of fat, and then I showed them this purple tea and the call to action. And then guys, my copy also have other images. Okay, this part guys, in the top, this part is known as above the fold, and this is very, very important. 90% right people, they click here only guys after watching the headline. The images make the call to action. So you have to keep guys this part in the top. Your call to action should not go below of this page. Okay, you have to keep here like this right now. Okay, your headline and guys your images, your headline or the pre-headline and your images should match guys. This is very, very important. For example, here I said purple tea, right? So I showed them a purple tea. Now, not every time you have to create this, but this has really increased my click-through rate right here. And here I said, right, melts 221 labs daily. I showed them a fat. Okay, I'm going to show you right how to create this in a second, but you have to understand this. Now here is free video reveal. 1 teaspoon of these rare herbs, okay, fixes insomnia. So in this case guys, I just showed them a rare herbs. Okay, headline and my images matches. So this is what you have to do. How to cure toenail fungus. Okay, so I showed them a weird toenail and exotic herb right in this. So this also bought me very good clicks here. So how you gonna do this? So first thing first, check their emails, because email will give you a lot of ideas of headline, right, or to create a sub headline. So here you can see new purple tea melts away over 100 labs, right? So many things you will get, right, to write a good copy. Not every time, but right in this case, right, you will get a lot of good content right here. If you want to drop 15, 20 even, do not create a headline or sub headline which have like some kind of a promising, okay, or some kind of a claim. Okay, do this before breakfast to melt away 20 lab dangerous fat. Do this, right? This can be very good, I think so, if you use as a right pre-headline. Okay, so let me go here, let me put this in the pre-headline. Purple tea tricks melts up 2 labs daily. For example, if you're taking this from here, so here you can see guys, do this for breakfast to melt belly fat like crazy. Purple tea trick melts up 2 labs daily. Okay, so now let's create this with Canva. So you can go Canva here guys, select here YouTube thumbnail. Okay, and here you can go elements, click here in the elements guys, and under the elements thing you will get this called grids. Okay, select this grid so that you can insert the images. Now guys, according to your headline, purple tea tricks melts up to 2 labs fat. Okay, something like this. Look at this one here, right? This is amazing image. If you think this is very, very good, so again go to here in the search YouTube button, right? YouTube button, and you'll get this, and you can create this one like this here, and create many images is the secret if you want a good images which convert, right? So let me create one more here. Let me go to like, look at this one. This is also show fat. Again go to guys elements and go down, you'll get this framework. Okay, click here for frame and just drag this, make it little bit big so that people can see. If you're enjoying this video, give the thumbs up guys, because this will save a lot of money. Now go back guys and again look for purple tea, something like this, looking for more tea images over here, right, which is purple tea, right? Look at this one here, or else guys you can go and use this one also. This is, look at this. And now you can create more angles. This line you can use and make it thin here, reduce the size. Look at this one here. Okay, this is good. Hope you can see this, and you can create like this images. Okay, images. So now you can see, you can insert a circle here, take a thin circle guys, and you can, and then guys you can create this images here. So it's showing the purple tea, and this is also matching your headline. Now let me show you from my, which I already created. Like look at this one. I created one images, then I also created this block here. Okay, this text also you're going to get from the email itself, right? Use some text which resonate with the audience. Look at this one, start losing 10, 20, even 30 points. I want to show them that if they click this video, they will learn something like purple tea, weight loss. They will see this text also. Look at this one, right? I created one more over here. So once if you created many images like this guys, test your image, right? Download in the device guys, and then go to tiny URL. Okay, you have to reduce the size. If you can see this guys, this image is 1 MB, which will slow your landing page, right? Loading speed. So select this and make it light. This is very, very important. Look at this 1.4 MB. You don't want this. Compress it with the high quality. This is free tool you can use. Now it is become like 300 KB. You can download in your device guys, and now you will use this images here. So this will be right like this here. You can minimize the size. So your purple tea is there, your fat is there. So hope guys you got some idea, right, how to create these images which should resonate with your headline or pre-headline, as well as your call to action like this. So if you got this value from this video guys, give the thumbs up to this video, and if you're first time, subscribe the channel guys. Meet you in the next video with more valuable content like this.